So I want to show you this quilt over here. This quilt is called a harvest gathering. Get our cameraman to zoom in and go over. So this one is called a harvest gathering. It is our camera's really tilted if it's going to make us seasick. There we go. It's called a harvest gathering, and we did a whole video on it back in May, and if you didn't get that, if you'll email us, we can make sure that you have that video. We go into detail about what we're going to teach, how we're going to teach it, how you can change it up. You can do just this big medallion center, do the whole quilt, how we're going to do the sides. I went into details on that. So go in and look for that, or email us and Steve can send you a download to it. This will be our fall semester of 2026. It's called a harvest gathering, and we have multiple different kits for it. In that video, I talk about the different kits and what they do. Maybe you just want the center part. Maybe you just want the pumpkins that are at the top and the bottom, you know, but we've done a lot of different, I think there's 8 different kits on there, so that you can get it the way you want it, or you can just pull from your stash. And this one is our fall semester premium club 2026, and we will be starting August 3rd, Mondays at 11 o'clock Central Time. So make sure you're queued up on that. Now, of course, we do our classes live just like we did today. And but because they're videoed and archived in the teaching website and in the clubs, you can go back in and watch them over and over again. And the cool thing is like, just like with the teaching of the diamond, you can go in and watch it again. You can back it up. You know, you can get in, zoom in if you're using an iPad or a smartphone. And so you can really see that teaching, I think, even better than if you were in a real class. And then with the quilting text hotline number, then I'm right there for you whenever you need help at what you're doing. And the classes usually run anywhere from an hour and a half to 2.5 hours, and that's solid teaching from me. If we were in a class at some festival or seminar somewhere, you know, you may be taking a 6-hour class, but you're not getting solid teaching on that. The teacher's going to show 10 to 30 minutes of something, and then you're going to go and sew it, and you're paying for that time for that teacher to be sitting there while she's waiting on you to sew it. And so that's what I love about the online classes is that you get the solid teaching, and then you go do it, and you can back it up. And if you want to sew at 2 a.m., you know what? I'm on there waiting for you. You don't have to wait for your teacher to wake up or wonder where in the world you're going to find her when class is over. So I love that. So come and join us and make this beautiful fall autumn quilt.